The trap they don't want you to escape. Your first time wasn't supposed to be that. Screen. Fantasy. A lie that felt too good to question. You told yourself, it's harmless. But that was the first hook in the cage. Because porn doesn't just show pleasure, programs it, tells your brain what to want, before you ever learn what love even means. Each click is a chemical command. Dopamine. Desire. Repeat. You think you're in control, but the algorithm studies you better than you study yourself. It learns your weaknesses, your loneliness, your curiosity, and it feeds you exactly what keeps you trapped. Now here's the truth most people can't face. Porn isn't a fantasy problem. It's an identity problem. It disconnects you from real emotion, so you forget what genuine connection feels like. But you can rewire your mind, not by guilt, by awareness. So if you're ready to understand your brain, not just fight it, subscribe right now. Because every video here is a weapon against manipulation. Porn teaches you to chase intensity, not intimacy. It rewards the watcher, not the lover. Kills patience and feeds impulse. And slowly, you stop craving touch. You crave control. You become the product. Your attention, your time, your desire. It's all back to you, one click at a time. So if you've ever felt empty after the high, remember this, that emptiness isn't weakness. It's your brain begging for something real. Reclaim your focus. Rebuild your wiring. Reconnect with reality. Subscribe to GrindMode 2.0, where we expose the systems that own your mind and teach you how to take it back.